Love mystery, adventure, and exploring? Want an exciting and fun activity for the school breaks and family holidays? The Junior Archaeologist Kit is the perfect answer. A messenger bag full of archaeology tools so you can go exploring your world, uncovering the past, and getting outdoors in the environment. The sturdy, machine-washable kit bag has lots of pockets for your tools and what you find. Included in your kit is parents' instructions on how to set up the perfect archaeological excavation at home, a booklet with complete instructions on all your tools, a junior archaeologist journal for you to record your adventures, a trowel to excavate, a brush to reveal your treasure, a pair of gloves to wear when excavating, a photograph scale for you to take a photograph and show the size of your finds, artifact bag to store what you have found, a rim chart which shows you how big your piece of pottery or ceramic may have been when it was complete. All items are to be specified Australian standards, including the trowel. Note, this is a larger than a normal trowel. Used by the Junior Archaeologist Club in Australia, these kits are a must for any budding young archaeologist. So get outside today, get exploring, and join the growing number of global junior archaeologists.